Hey, you there. Yes, you. Are you interested in winning free Robux? I am hosting a challenge on Roblox in Expedition Antarctica where you can win your own free Robux. It's that simple. Click the link in the description to my Discord server, then type in your Roblox username on whitelist, and then you can compete in our events. That's all you need to know. And remember, this is free Robux. Now, on with the video. If you don't know what SCR is a game where you can ride, drive, dispatch, guard and do other stuff with trains. Hey guys, my name's DogMC, and in today's video, this is again my first video on Stepford Country Railway, so I hope if you're new to this video and you want more SCR content, please subscribe. Pretty busy server as well, around 70 people on the server, so today's challenge is we need to ride every train the first train that arrives, except for expresses, for the reason that how much time they take. We need to get on the train and then we need to get on the train and drive it to the end station, and after that we get off the train and we wait for the next train, and so on and so on. And let's hope we don't get stuck somewhere. If we get stuck somewhere, I will instantly end the video. Otherwise, I'll just end the video when I have too much recording time. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Let's see. I'm sorry. Let's see what the next train is. It's a Connect. Oh no, it's so late. Platform 2, but that's an Express Connect in. Oh no. The next is in Platform 4. We're going to go to Platform 4 and see what... whoops. No. We're going wrong way, guys. We're going wrong way. Wrong way. We need to go Platform 4, I believe.
Now approaching Platform 4.
Yep. Now it even said it on the... Definitely was not trespassing there. Here we go. How do you get on? There you go. Hello, mate. Let's see if this train turns around. Well, this train didn't turn around. We need to look for another train here as well. Yeah, this kid wants to join me. So, Fuzzy was 11, at SC, Stepford set. As well, whoops, close zoom as well. So the next train is only in 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna chill till then. Wait, what? A Connect? What? A Connect? 2 carriages? What class is that? What? I didn't know that exists. What? Okay, but we're still taking this train. So, we just need to wait a little more. It's probably not on time because I've barely seen a Connect on time. Okay, we figured it was the class 158. Well, our train has a little delay. That is not good. But I think it's normal.
Your attention, please.
Oh no.
The 07
Oh, okay.
28
No worries. No worries.
service
That wasn't
from
our.
Lynn by the Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
We might need to take the air link. If it gets even worse. Okay, let's just wait. Well, we just heard this is our train. Here we go. Please don't hit the buffers. I mean, actually, you can hit the buffers if you want, because we're not really relying on you. Come on. You need to go to the queue.
This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here.
Wait till it
All
turns
change,
around.
please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
I thought maybe it wouldn't even turn around, but that might be. Let's hope it turns around to.
The train now standing at platform 8 is the 0649 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead.
That was insane.
Wester Coast.
I think we're taking
Newcastle,
Airlink.
West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn
We're taking
by
the
Sea.
Airlink. Good.
This train
Oh
is
my
formed
god.
of 5 coaches.
That was insane. Imagine we needed to take the train
The
to
train
Lynn.
now approaching platform 12. Terminates here.
There we go.
Your attention,
You need to stop a
please.
little close and
The
by the buffer.
0649 Stepford standing at platform 12.
So this train
is
goes
the
to Terminal 2.
51 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2 via Stepford Airport Central.
Terminal 2, not the
Calling
best.
at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1
Not the best.
and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Okay,
First class is located at the
let's
front of
wait
the train.
this out. Oh no, what is this? Our train is, I'm stuck. Yeah. So we spawned at Airport Central. So here we go. We need to look out for the next train. This train just got cancelled as well. A link to Stepford Central. Well, 2 minutes. That is not really good.
Platform 4 for the 0659 Airlink service to Stepford Airport Parkway. Calling at Stepford Airport Parkway only. This train is formed of 7 coaches.
Long shuttle. That's a little good.
This is Stepford Airport Central. This train is for Stepford
Yeah, it goes to,
Airport Parkway. The next station will be Stepford Airport Parkway.
That's It's okay, you know. I'll probably cut the part out when we're going to. So, yeah. Here we go. We are now at Airport Parkway. We're not allowed to take this train. What? Okay, here we go.
This is Stepford Airport Parkway. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you.
So we have
The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. The train now standing at platform 4 is the 0703 Airlink Service to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1, Airport Terminal 3 and Airport Terminal 2. This train is formed of 7 coaches. Platform 5 for the 0703 Airlink Service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford East and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This train is for
First class is
Stepford
located
Central.
at the front of the train.
The next station will be Stepford East.
Platform
Well-
3 for the 0701 Airlink Service to Stepford Airport
The
Central.
next station
Calling at Stepford Airport Central only.
yeah, no.
This train is formed
I think this
of
is an
4
airlink
coaches.
travelling challenge.
First class
I
is
guess.
located at the rear of the train.
Now, before this for this challenge, we visited 4 stations: Stepford Central, Stepford East, Airport Parkway, and Airport Central. Altogether, we only used Airlink for this. We went from Stepford Central down to somewhere around Morganstown, where our train despawned, so we had to teleport to Airport Central, which was our next stop. We took the next train back to Airport Parkway, and then our train to Stepford Central, which stopped at Stepford East. Sorry I didn't get footage of that, because OBS kind of corrupted. Anyway, so that was everything that we did on this challenge. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and if you want to join our events for free Robux, you can do so with the link in the description. Thank you, and if you want us to do any challenges or any more, tell us in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!